Remember that wild clip from Jim Carrey's The Cable Guy? That place is real. Hi, I'm Ian and welcome to the Draubner channel. Today, we'll be featuring medieval times in Orlando. Forget a quiet dinner, we're trading forks for 11th century stunts and a 4-course feast. It's the ultimate dinner theater. Have fun and enjoy.
Babe, look at that.
Table 5 times.
Okay.
Table 5.
Table 5. I think the menu's the same. This looks nice. Yeah, I mean, it says made in China, but me. Arr, oh me. That's Pirate's Hand. Oh, sorry. Tomato soup smells good. Is this fun? Yeah. Hi, Maham. Great.
Cup raised, I say, to glory.
To glory.
Beautiful. What is his name? And I'm not too fond to give it his time.
Whoa! Whoa! Look, mate! Whoa! Thank you.
champion and defender of our realm from mighty Santiago, the Black and White.